Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is the first time coming across my videos, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload new video, you will be the first to be notified. I really appreciate everyone that is supporting me. May God bless you all. Please don't forget to share my videos, like, leave positive comment down below in the comment section. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye. Hello my people, I greet una with better style. My people, I don't carry another ogbonge gist come give una my people. This one hot well from Franco Menwa na say make I carry come give una. So my people, I go drop the video make una watch. If una finish to watch, una no forget to leave una own opinion what una think on the video. And make una no forget to leave una comment my people. So my people, before I go drop the video, I greet una good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depending on the time we be, so una go take come across this video. So my people, make I drop the video, make una watch.
And the mumu followers. Avec Bani Ho and calling Nogi. Avec Chentro boss in the TA. Avec boss in Ore. Et Paris. Avec une Béchentro Paris. Ni vi quoi, ni nous. Ni vi so ye benjo, ni vi so ye glass as ye benjo. Le red light ye benjo. Ni ti no giri hopi no giri no giri mu yon san la. Ba bo Allah wa bo wa go wa we ran. Iri kai. Ani budjan khase, budjan ya gbe rian. Oh God. Budjan rian na. Now, you know give
if you want your demand, just be neutral. Do your things. If because of the can't continue if they are saying get problems, you know they let them talk put it in. They only disgrace their self. Esther, I will know it don't say. When I appear by more, a tell you need to worry. Or more power again, when I see one.
My sister, it is not illiterate to know that illiterate to know that style, and I'm okay every day. Happy New Year, my favorite lady. When next time, I block her. Our favorite. I know what one, you know what block her. Ina we illiterate to Ronaldo. On one with my favorite lady.
Oh God, oh God.
For this Facebook, if I'm not somebody where people supposed to say, not the children way after that.
I think you can't buy go and take a permission, boy.
When everybody show.
I think you can't, no more like that.
Yes, so my people are great now with love or at all. You know, get down your one. Okay, can you wear a demofi? Or you no magbon with social media now. Or no Oja, social media now. You know, get down here. I'm not saying you. I want to lecture you. You know, so I lecture you right on time. You and the what we for us. My lecture, the lecture talk. That bombi we for us. That make it out we for us. See, you and this what be your name? Well, wait, sit down there. Flat yansh we for us. You and your flat yansh. Now lecture they give now. They just the lecture now, not the I know the saga now. Where's the flat yansh? Wait. Hey. Flat Ikibi. Where is Flat Ikibi? Flat Ikibi, come here, idiot. Why are you doing it? You didn't see Flat Nyash. Jesus. It okay. anya kebenai ona wesilo ibana we na kwe isalo gbo udazi nogi ema we na kwe ema we na irika we zuozo because we mwike bagmo okbe ara mwike be negbe ho ikebe ne ziworo ikebe no tie yuhe yuga me ikebe no tie yuhe okbe ni atinki si una mwike be negbe ho ga rinyo ikpe bo we na hina ikpe bo ina ona oyina oyimi no fele bameti the gospel mortuary gay lare ekan ya bamuwe ekan oyina oni aye fenyi jaya bam ginyewe ino ginyewe agripa dere ni krimisi yu egbe ino ge dere ni krimisi yu egbe una ina na bam ye gospel hospital Ekenwa road yare wa ya ba ni ya vi kotiwu din yawe na vi kotiwu yu we wake e ba met we fele ba met inogi o magu we e di mo fi yon no wa gbon social media na on na ewo bi do ma any come away. The reason why the mo fi na seek away all because of election of got on the now the near ko agu e gonu because on way you are useless man. Ou wa camper ou ma camper ou on win ya on ni and just the truth wa camper ou wa vile fiscal le lu wa vile fiscal ko ha on like the House of Assembly for Edo ya on ni House of Assembly for Abuja ya on ni House of Representative ya on ni all those one go that you know the fool na self una use who ya fully bua. You know, but we call it your party. Away, you are 30,000 francs, you are 40,000 francs. The franc you are telling Deco, Bob, you were more. Oani, Igbima Howe. Igbima de Howe at all for calling the platform park a franc in a rally. I want to go no one compete nipper, no other, no one tell me Deco. Wow, Kuweki Nogi, wow, do the 30,000 naira, you do a campaign. When you go to birthday wishes, Asungu, Ayemuja, fake life people. You know, get kuwe ke kola when I call you when no mind the why I see I think that you the good on the call you when he azua now. Understand? He azua. We are women why we are women zuovin we zuo. You supposed to know where me ya me so where amwe lapa capside that is Italy. Ana when the lapa ni kele bia cross ya Italy. No amwe the weight the me ya me so where ana amwe you way or capside. That is Italy. You understand? You na zuo wo wani. We ma get to zuo. Wa san yo sele waga nyanga. Waga. Du nyimwe mabua enogi. Do nyime we mabua. When I mo fi ladi and no de do apologies ni ma no de ni. O gbeni we bae. O gbeni we bae do wan gbon. Nde tuma mo re gboto. Do enogi wi. Enogi ime ino we na. E monika o kamola monika gbe na. Igeru wala ga sali edu wala ga mo yin pe kusu woto. Edu wala ga avion ni kotokoto wala ga o ga sali ka yin yi. Wa mi ta yu we ni fada mo tiena la wale monika gbe. Wa mi ta yu we imeri no water na inogi owo inogi wi inogi be ware. What is now your contribution? If we marry we after most frustration with the marry we yala jam 11 do udere na ni recording yala de my TV ye ku ko kan we 1 o'clock you giaso o kan we live video o kan we live we na allow. Can you imagine wa ma mi obi e mo yesu can you imagine by 1 o'clock 12 o'clock no keke ni mo ya abi ni e mo yesu e no bi we na no see review we nwa iwe nwa bu papadem iwe ki wa ki papadem abushmit you owe bedi iya hi papadem abushit you bedi why e knows ya bibi kan destiny wo nwa moje Emono bie ya mighty grow. Emono rewebu ya ina imono igwanyame. Ya ina imono igwanyame. Emoni veru tu zon. E ya le mwase mon webie. Igwa agba be mwaje. Ya ye me. E ye gberi ya gbe. Ya marwarwa. Because of your noise in that home. Ogona ma ebie no ye sogo ono ga ego ha. Ya ga enya. Why are you running? Okay? Eri okuna ga aji ona muyowa enogi. Deri okuna ga aji we amuyowa. Obono gboku. Deri okuna ga aji enogi we amuyowa. Deri okuna ga aji. Deri okuna ga aji we amuyowa. Deli okuna ga aji nogi. No we wa gbe career no gbe destiny. Deli ga aji we amuyowa le. Deli is a blish agi deri ni are ini gbe agi deri ni aya no la ego no la ikwa we here agi deri here. Egbe agi de transparency agi deri bioy even a blish si odo blish ave blish or more blish blessing family. Wajari no ambassador le niya te tondra organic screen. E tondra no we ne cream ye ma ba nya benya. No wa we ne cream ye ba we no wa bana. Gadagu wa na. Unya ye to we baba no gi. E video no unya wa do ma we ne kwa time o ke delete ni atama. We do wa we UK we Germany enogi we do wa we Germany o wan we dena o wan we de we Germany nogi he salubo nogi ogele gane we emonika e gomoda we emonika we o wan kpo give ye de UK na betere palo o wan kpo give no have we va who why o wan kpo give de UK na. Now the second house now they buy for UK. The first house when you buy not get palo since how many years? For good 1 year, your first house not get palo. Now only kitchen and toilet and 1 bedroom. Now the house get it not get palo. Now only certainly they can't do palo for the first house when you buy for UK. But we never see the second house. God. Hey God. We never see the second house. The same where we don't blow man. You will not blow the life of life video. Everywhere else scatter. You go to talk. You know, as you talk, people they listen to what you talk. They try to get fat from what you talk. Say you don't buy house. This house where you buy. No, the house where government put your wife and children based on. Now don't get 3 children. Your wife and 2 children and 3 children that is 4. They need to give them big house because 1 room and palo no go finish there. You know, you get house production. They give you a house for Germany. Wa to ri wa rewe. We talking no ginai. We had to know we am with any Germany meji. Any Germany meji. No na ba bola we bila sa o se bi no mu we you wa. So no mama mandela mo we. E no give. Owe a proud mom just TV in Nigeria na. Ya your boy a die see. Ina for me abima. Ina you bomwe fwa. Owoni ate blessing. You know give well me na we no pretend the local. You just say I look like you they pretend they follow woman. I be like you where they pretend. What you know because you want to get documents. You go they pretend they follow on. You can even pretend the lele abi or azoa e will be. I say like woman am ma na. You know you pretend the same. Man woman ta you know give well one boom. Everything about you is just you fake. Our way ama we just play with Vivan. Una so agbe di mo fi go record. Na when the mo fi go gbe. Na so go repair di mo fi. O so ba bless you when we arrive in o kan wa be won e pay yobo. O kan wa be won e pay yobo. O kan wa be won e pay yobo. Na ya be kere ni ade ya o yan gba na ya de be yobo. Enogi no kan wa ya be kere ni ade. E yo yan gba na ama ya be document no. they ask, so, here my document to me. The same you in Nogi, when man celebrated documents in the live video now. Didn't you celebrate documents? What am a passport in England and go celebrate with live video? Uwawe ya sero. Osasomozo. The monkey face igati osasomozo. Uwaya ye bato afi ya stabe. Destiny osas. Social media now. A document to celebrate you Nogi. Where the document? Where the docu? God. Nogi. A fake life way too much you be. Your fake life, you get degree. Fake life way, all a degree. On no man why way, or why they one bone. Who no know you? Good to see you better person. Women are disgrace way now, almost so ballow be. Cause me I go to expose you the more. Now, any video way you do, any step way you take, I'll continue to expose you. Meno. Yeah, I expose you one by one. I don't give you chance at all. No time to check time. You can kill me somewhere. You know, get the baby boy. Larry, why me try a video now? A video. Okay. Nogi. Owo wala mo yin pe ko so woto. Omo yin pe ko so woto. It's not a new thing. One more he has been doing it. According to Monica. Owo wala ka sale ye. Anything. Even wala sale ye. So what are we saying? Enogi, what do you have to say about this audio? Don't analyze it. You didn't bring this audio and come and analyze it. Maybe you wala ya sale Monica here. You ya salika your way woto. Umado mo any chana na ya amu hon wa asu. Eru wala no wo were won wewo wa awe fo wo were won Monica do boy you etana. You call on this platform to asinye you ma we Monica. Otani me no we e Monica we yo waya umo yaga uma we Monica. But Monica la jina odo sine odo tanya we. Yes, umwe ye woto usalika nyo hi okunoro wodo oviedu ikpedu wa ye tia zazu okunoro wodo owagu waruwa wa wogere in Jebob. I can see the reason why Jebob does you as his godfather. Egwe nyazi pakpa no yezion wa dami ho egwe nyazi pakpa no yezion ajebo mu yi vivian e woto yo imuka vian pa omo wa gino takata e woto ero wala mu yi Monica e woto part 1 and 2 woto part 1 and 2 God. Ewani rugwe ni video boy be na ya gbe woto patona tu ewa yege do miss no yedu ewa yege Jebob ameya we fe ewa ni oje wa gino takata no dia na ya Monica oboka blues woto part 1 and 2 ono mo ye kinaga gbezanzan talk show wa gola go movie ari gbezanzan talk show wa mi woto part 1 and 2 woto part 1 and 2 do we marry your way you are missing something who do we na ko no go ya sale kayu who do we ni pe ni mo ko wa ya ko ni iko ni logo do e veni ko ikpe ni mo ko wa ni kedori veni ya sale kayu ko ni logo do e we bu ikpe ni ya we ibi edo ya ibi sesesi beni ya wi ni dogo do he wa ni ya we honestly ma joko this is true life story if you know sunu the Holland no sunu the Germany yaruwe ikwonigare Hollandi when ikbeniro ikbenimo ya salkenya iwoto all your woto part 1 and 2 woto part 1 and 2 wa we miyo e mani le jemi veni ya gbepo ye Nigeria ya bu ikwonile UK ikwonile ko we gbepo ya de Nigeria yin lo salkenya we woto part 1 and 2 woto part 1 and 2 ave patron ave patron ya wa metron when you baba egbe ya ya egbe wa mi ya we wa gba lo mu ve wa de gbe zanzan talk show woto part 1 and 2 woto part 1 and 2 but am I get Suleiman am I get you are missing something. You understand me now? Lare Enogi, what did you have to say in this audio? This woto part 1 and 2. What did you have to say when Eruwala was giving Monica woto? What did you have to say? What did you have to say when Papa Wala was giving Monica woto? What did you have to say? Monica has come out to confess categorically. Where Papa Wala, he put on for a pekusu woto. He put on for a pekusu woto. He's as he put on, he did young, Monica Damaso, yo, do me, Dorima, omuye kene do na sala Doriome da da UK Doriome Marie Bejo Doriome Mareola Doriome da UK Doriome Oh God. Hey God. This life not balance. Why do Mrs. Saloin Monica like this? How can Dodo, why are you saloin?
Esther, you like when I also know how many you are with his next. You might be where I said too. Yeah, you are winning. But to tell you what, you got when I you know how many do it. We not our. We not our now. Mama, live there. Yeah, I know you. How are you?
No. Hello. I greet you. Hello, what's the level? Everywhere you're bound, my side now. Congratulations. Yeah, congratulations. Okay. One love. Everywhere must you now. Everywhere must you. My God. I'm really happy for you, That's a nice one. Yeah. You never see me. You need to come give me drink because let me be the cagbe. On a very good day now, we'll see now. I greet you. See how you fresh. In a sleep. Now your face you go carry. Don't be lie. One love, bro. All right, now take care. Ciao. All right, now. Yes, so my people. Lare, no get we. No get no akedi. Ekino na mi lalobo. Oh yeah. No get. So fortunate that woman. You understand? Woman. I hear say na na mo wa gbe bibinu. You go bibinu wa jini wa so say na wa sile. Equoro eba wa si equoro wa zuo wa ze zuo gena wa ya gbano we iwa ya we tie bona ya kpas wa ne because e wo build ni won agbo awe na dia we wa we na me ko don't I'm recording in real life. Understand? And our fresh. Today is a fresh day. Oh God, what this man go see? You go see me all ya with your kwena. Oh, ya wari kwena. Kegi, adi boy yo. No gi, dali wana uzua e will be. Uwe. Dali. You know give we life video.
Social media president. When you already call you, yeah, we agree with member. What you want to go to when I am my ye. Mother, no way. Mother will ask too. How can you are wearing it? But to beg him there, you ask me, you know, I said, man, you are Lawa, Mr. Lawa, Esther, Frank, Imam Sumi, you know who me. Yeah, and then you say, Muhammad, I go a party to me. He told me, Yari, while we next year to tour. I wait 10-20 minutes now. In the car. But where's that thing I was saying? You don't get me a will of jam. For will of jam, and that he said, I know I feel by you. Sira necessity, Sira Waru more in social media. Not that I miss it, I mean, frat no wa, not go bed. Then we see us, not ever papa. We like to do. Papa. If I show you, you never went, wow. Best presenter.
Yes. Yes. Best presenter. You know, guy. Oh, easy. No, guy.
If you owe nobody any explanation.
Yeah, I crest your memory. Today, my TV, na crest yo. You know, yes. Oh, ose so ya word na so ya award na ye gbe no give here.
We are still.
Wow, me parle mo fi no still no try. Enogi. Guy, best presenter 2021. Best presenter Amweme. Enogi, he shock you when you tell us when you say Wagiri. Amamwa word inwe. Amamwa word adoge Enogi, only na we. Enogi only o magbona. Enogi only make na only tell. Oh, I tell no like how. Enogi tell no like how na. Enogi I tell no like how. Menwa gano. E me ni re gba. Wana san. Ana our crest yo. Menwa gre no. If you know full complete beat from head to toes, a beat no. I when I hear when you go no. There e gie mawe. Woman anyi se umu gbe. God, Nogi. They're the best presenter. When you know what time, best presenter Amweri. Zere no gbe uge kan ye gbe se soko no ya oge. When ma we zuo live video na ma gi ma on ya no re gba ma. Ya no gele zuo oge zuo. Ya ni ma we boy o. Any e baso bavon. Nya ri boy o ene. You know so ameme. Ni me no me gbe kan ni live video. E gbo we. Ni ne ya ta wo no gbe da. E je be o. Wa kana yi. Ije. Madam. Lare, madam. Even you beta. Walking yi. Udege enogi. No ya we my yegbe. You have been on social media for years, for donkeys of years. Where till live TV now we look where this award na munu we na the social media na. Me, here till live many award near me. You understand? Under this year, now this year 2022, RTV, Benden newspaper, all the way from Edo State. You understand? Enogi ma we yegbe ni you're supposed to know. An interview, man. Interview, and I'm a newspaper. Crest a newspaper. You give up a guy. You do understand me so? Enogi we was a live video. You don't have anything you are contributing to their dose. A platform you woman or anything to contribute to Benin Kingdom as a whole. How are you affecting those in the diaspora positively with your platform? What impact did you have in the life of those in the diaspora with your platform, Enogi? Now, Benjamin, Vera. Oh, you back on the platform winning. There is no time you feel come out categorically boldly can't speak truth without fear or favor. Sit down, come out, can't talk truth to these women when they misbehave. Or may you come out boldly, can't let the men know say, when you are not supposed to be sleeping with married women. Come out categorically, come bold talker. You know if you talker. Or come out categorically, call let us know say, Eruwala, Monica Eruwala, how dare you say if Monica do DNA test with your husband will not work, may they call you. Woman when you not sleep with, how they can't call you, may you go do DNA test with her. If Monica do DNA test for your husband, you know what, they can't call from Victor. Maybe from Victor can't do DNA test. If Monica do DNA test with your husband, you know what, they can't call Efei. Me Efei can't do DNA test. If Monica do DNA test with your husband, you know what, they can't call the both me can't do DNA test. It cannot happen because why? Efei and the both not get it to do with each other. Why be say you yourself come and say if they do DNA test for their picking, you know what, they can't call you. If you not sleep with that woman, you think that kind of a thing will occur? In every rumors, there's element of truth. Larry Enogi, you don't get sense. You don't get sense. You don't be man, and you can never be man. You remain a boy. That's why even children know you as a baby boy. Little children know you as a baby investor because you don't get sense. You go see truth. You can't sit down with think with your memory. Just put this mark away, this mark, put them for your brain. May you cross-check on. Do plus and minus for this issue. Bring fact, come out. Can't tell people, may they understand. Say, man, we don't sleep with woman. Go if you go both, say, go do DNA test. No, they happen. Our fingers are always pointing on this man for decades of years now. You go sit down there, they side one person. They do support that team. If you know the show, why can't you get your own team? Investor team. Where business now you see they dance, they follow women. Now you see they dance, they follow women who get women, adulterous women. Igbeaga women. Okunoro god more. Ewe bobori. Where are we okbea? Okbea. Ikbere we ikbere. Ikbere. We consolé. Ou alors me gugane nuwaje. Mere nuwaje na. Ekinimeje of far burawa. Where I think ahead of people. Me gugane nuwaje ni. All these apologies, all those no want to do so. I don't do for now. My own far, my own level past now. I don't think fast. I got better things to think with my brain. Not to think of nyama things. When I listen to someone that misbehave, I will say come down on level. Come blast me. After I blast me, finish, I'll climb my mountain. Go sit down there, from there they look now. Yes now. I sit on a throne where from there they look all of una nonsense. And from there they sit the look una, they see the atrocity what they do. When it's getting too much, try to influence people into your atrocities, to your nonsensity, I will come down, come flog una. Just I'm flogging you guys now. You feel me? Just go get small sense. If you say that they use money, they buy. I for borrow you money, you go buy sense. Put for head, me forget. You don't get sense. The same woman, if man they get her wrong, woman go see the control and go see the my husband don't be so. You go see the letter, you go see they put her through in one way or the other. You see me where sit down with people for us, I don't know what they do. You know what they benefit for you? You know the kind of advice where they get? Where even you wait till they ball like foul for you, they ball like bed. You don't get that kind of sense. People where you feel talk to, you don't feel say that they run for street, they make life, they make noise, they go for street, make you say you did gem. You don't get any contribution for the government. You don't contribute anything. You don't contribute for this Dutch land. I just want to make no wow. After you make no finish, all those actually always build house for this thing. Where they build like two bungalow for Port Harcourt. They want to make you ambassador. And you look as a citizen. Ambassador of what? Estate. I just look, I say, oh, can't be looking. Monamu woman now there. How much do they put for your account? How much did they pay you? Oswonomako. I they ask you, how much did they pay you? Bring your receipt, come out. Now everything they put for live video. Don't make me talo. You don't get better clothes. Better clothes where they will hear for body, so you don't get them. And one particular cloth, one particular bead, now you they put for neck there. Better gold where man they put for neck. Simple dressing. You don't get. Now you talk pass. You dress like Mugu. Person nothing look you me. I know me not use hand they clean eyes. You know you're sharp. When they see you clear and sharp. Everything about you now just fake. Even your broadcast now fake. Every phone get better camera, real camera. Use your real camera, bring your real self. Stop to use beauty camera. Snapchat, they use them to do live video. Everything about you now really. But what you want trash to you why jump in. If you want to do broadcast, you want dress, you want just to come out normal level. Come out at normal level. Just enjoy yourself, they fool yourself. Children, can you imagine 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock in the middle of the night when children supposed to take better sleep? Their brain go fresh, calm down. Their brain go calculate. Children still they awake, they shout. Your mumu woman, they say, and you want to make them know say you never sleep now. You want to make them know say you never sleep now. The video where your wife do last night, me I play for your zone. No video no can well. Nason. Whoever wa gele me mo, whoever wa gele kon, and I want gele kon, whoever wa kon so whatever wa kon so we don't have a there's never a time where I am one. I won't buy on to Buwadin one year, or one Buwadi right over you, what it would be the bag one yavi. Bah, now I'm a picture. A picture Dominion talk show order for we are posted bam. We have posted picture Dominion talk show order for now posted. Tell the lucky way Imaoni Aziba Enogi Imaoni Aziba when I was working and we have posted now I have posted here investor near platform now. What I posted here Enogi is priceless. Look hit you. That's what I posted Enogi is priceless. What I posted picture Enogi is priceless. Wow, work a corner call you well, work bell, work going over. You can't be a Europe. Now I'm gonna, before you talk to me, if you want to talk to me, go get it live. First of all, you use your platform, you use your real account to write me. While your real account where we are insulting any work. You understand? Ken Ace Odia ode abina ode wa iri account where you agree account no so you be real man. You understand? You use your real account to write this rubbish where you write. So now no so you be real man. You have to fake account you be write. You are not a man, you are fake. What to wait see about the when with that no so as you so much you say or you were fake. We baby you no dia no let you be wa. You know no time but any more tear no what tear no one at time. Ken, you understand me? So if you want to talk to me, you want to know so you be real man, you want cost me, so be wasting it not good. You will cost me. You know, see, as you know, they come and I will cost me, I'll cost them back. Well, be asking who live video, who tell me, remember, what is was it? You know, see, as you know, they come and I will. Here, what be out believing, like boom. Well, we be where would do like if you can't order at that to one morning. When I was we're going to slow by you, my USA, if you can't on your dear, figure cut on your woozy. Oh, yeah, would you figure cut on I know? I quite figure cut. We understand me. Yes, so let's go there. What a woman. Triple waiting.
Come. Never thought to you. The one with the copper packet.
Now, was
Now, anyone try working hard. Now, anyone try working hard.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wanna shake me now? Wanna shake me? Perry, what's the other game? Wanna, hey, it don't set.
Yeah, so.
It don't set.
Y'all be giving love. Oh, we don't set. He don't say to wanna shake me. Yo. Ọmọlọmọ yẹ o. La vie na desi moye la la bokira. Ama eno vie we do go and we are baby boy, you remain a baby boy. You understand me now? You remain a baby boy. Yeah, I dash you small this morning. Small as me I can dash you. You understand? Man dash you wakili kiri. Okado kari no. It did do bezanzan le na. When you bezanzan talk show you. So what now when they follow this platform, I follow them because now they do the things now. You want to sale gwen. Ni sale gwen. Ni go kiri. Oh yeah.
Your manager there. God, remove the chef. God, God remove the chef again. I tell you, what kind of shaft? Esther, all you was if I go manager, if I could write wow, I don't know what we are about YouTube. I look why. God shall put his chef.
Avec ce que vous avez dit, avec ce que vous avez dit, nous avons un bar you put. You have a boy like you.
Next time the worry now, when Frank was old, if not to me, and Mary Frank has only my team, my argument. So no, if you talk about Frank, you don't know not alone.
I want to remind in case for your Google Castle.
When they remember, you can't get Bobby Barney. When no,
you fed the staff, they bully my children now. When I don't talk to Franco,
you got children.
They say pure water. They bully person. You
know. I got we work pure water. Usungu.
Sister, come.
Alors d'afona wo work pure water nyi obegani. Papa supane bushmeat no via you wa no biele via papu no gino wa agwo mo we biele ni no sungu so ba na gun bi fa na via na gun wa agwo wa o we aye papa supo omo no ma no we biele ni we ya gi orime o we ya gi omo pata no so o bi meti ava tu we e ke no bi me na gun we ti gun abo we na ti te bolo ma tu do now ya gun pe voice record o bi menwe e voice record o ni pe enwe u down me homo agun e me ade unu ta e me de unu no bi busare ka yuhi o de unu ta wa zo mo no biele yu wa bele na 11 o'clock last night where you saw you were wa pe super bushmeat u ma ya na you no rewo no afi ya yan it is na children na you born akia papa you born for sa for there e ya si kun you wa no be na kolokolem agwa come out na me you consaga me you and your mama we for sa with your children go igwo wa yakgbe we baba with the smile ko work me na le mu nyama no bia you wa agwo wa ekwe mu e amangu egbon we egbo no vi gwele ine shi wo no bia vi you wa ba ni o vi gwele ni na okuro ya si you na ikolugbo agbeo when we are added the innocent which kind innocent who tell you say there be innocent children wey enter your life before your life not turn good again so cost are those children innocent because let me bunch the way they go give me cost all the time children come their life the people do not get sense again they all mumu tell them they never born twins they never receive cost like this since we all born twins now one person tell them the truth no go because they bully my children. When I go check with when I carry the ghost, they check their brain. If that human being brain, that inside. Mota, but with the smile on. When I vian, you see me. Yeah, I got the one not more way. They're the or soon. Go wash on my platform, no wash on my platform. Life on the right now, me talk on school. Me mais son saga you we bien son saga me a wo ne perigodi you we na vie mwe kwa ne kiri no ni e saga we wa have you kwa ya ze saga we wa have you kwa wa gbe o ma mi lo pa ku ko da fun ma mi lo pa me a son saga we ya son saga we wa mi na gbokun wa ibe ya gunu no we ani ubeva waya gun wa la wa mi beva obo eva no we ani waya gun we ni won gbon we hin
ano we no ibale mi opa wa mu le social media agbeye ri are we o vie tre a comment yo we fun there is a day look mo na comment yo o here gbere track na comment yo my sister stop
ono no gun wona we no call no we ya gun wona we ya keep platform we this is stupidity no word we na call Unu we ya go an we ya even am ya go life we me ne nya gbo wo so mana keep platform when we ya so ne nya gbo live video e no gi no we zuwa yin ya advice we my sister we keep platform we ni nya gbo ni we me ni next time team live video we ya mo we mo la dia we so awa abi contributor after much frustration on the nya we di o se ko mana di pe mana dia o waya o se wa ti je wodo ya papa Ataima. Oh, where can you see a chili? Not yet, you see a your waho. How can you stay husband have? What did you order, Yana? Well, that way, I look for husband. Which husband want to put the money woman for us? You just say men now they want woman to give the problem. Which man want to put useless woman for us? Woman will be say, you know, they finish for Nyama platform of evil, platform where they contribute to the family. Asaloa. Kuwe ke para dema bushmeat monu wa veyo. So so gon weku. Kuwe kenogi give you we right le mesaga o wa agwo wa. Kuwe kenogi give you we kenene ya agwo Monica. Wa right chest mesaga. Wa nu. Abi wase. Wa hen kun ana. Ba bo fie kun de luwa. Ya wa oti we ye gwe. We are doing in the supermarket. Audio no ya do no ya do magin mus market aye gwe we do gbe ya abo wo ti file yakwa e ma file kwa e pesho we ni wo ye gwe e pesho we ro ni do gbe na kele do mu elanya ya do vu e mu lanya ba na wo do yo pesho wo we particularly asun wo de wo wa ago wa an ye ga rumana e bie na hina e ga rumana e bie ato mana ebie at all ni nogi ewa aji uri chino kpare iluhu wa we voli di chino kpare iluhu do mi manaje uri chain uri iluhu we geli o ma ebie ni nogi see your life now uye tuwe you wo ye de wuya o ni gbo e bi an ti ku mana de lovely ikuya she came out to tell you the truth about your life wa we dogi asa sare wo I want to bully the back. In the form, I want to bully the back. Oh, you want to bully crowd. I want to bully the back. They tell you the truth about yourself. For you to pick sense for inside, maybe you something advise your husband. What advice is? What bully cost of $50, $100 in the Facebook, you know? Wa saloa. Wa bomu wa. One more wedding. You came in and go with Agma. I will obey you. I'm mad woman. Bloody civilian. Yes, so my people, so make I kill them small, make them forget sense. Because they no give with the wife, they no get sense. And are you going? But we are quite worried. A guy you can't avoid kissing them because women don't know about me. Man, it's very, very important because here go. Alors, we are below. Very, very important. Choose. Yes. Oh God. Bagui. You can take it. It's just a little breakfast. All right, my people. Love is for you. You don't give me a family dog when you are soon. I'm a good. I haven't put myself on few. I haven't put on myself on few. You don't know what you're for. So I said, I told my only ask you. You guys know what I can do. You know I handle you now. I will go. If we have no go, yeah, we walking. You don't give. Walking.
The wife of Ambrose. I've made so many videos uncountable to make my confession, and people are taking it the other way around. I don't think the news they are carrying is about what I said. And I believe the video, I have never deleted any. We still have all this video online. And even without the video, God is watching me. And God knows if I am lying. There was a time a year ago I came out on social media telling people what Ambrose and the wife Monica did to me.
Okay.
And I also make a confession that she almost raped me. She makes me to see or touch her breast. That am I not attractive enough, she said. And when I sat with her in the couch, she put her leg in my body, you know what I mean? And thereafter I was tempted. I tried to romance her leg before I now came back to my senses and said, no, I can't do this despite my situation, despite the one who give me.
Una listen. Are no gi udawe help vojina. Wa remieta ye video na as a benima. Oye san or confess na we ni Monica ya mo we yin we ya romance eh. Yin ge ina we no. No matter what, that's why we nyamu yan yowa as a gon watia. Ye gunya mo gon watia. Yin ya wo were. Ina turn up. Na we no. Uhira yan sale kayo. Ye you bo we gbe you bo we enwe ye mi no enwe ye pion enwe ya ye wo enwe ye wo according to the man we mi no enwe ye mi no ye go ga if no garu we according to the man and the man they talk so and they try to explain. I know see many women go verse for this explanation because as they talk that they affect many women, they will provoke more not provoke not me talk and they try to explain what this about talk. You understand? Waiting Mr. Obo talk and now they try to explain. Human rights activist, you understand? So, no provoke me. It's oh we me know. When you got me know. You got me. Oh God. Oh me know part 1 and 2. Oh me know part 1 and 2. And Jesus, I don't die. I don't die. Oh you got me know. When you got me know. No, don't get me wrong. You understand? Don't get me wrong. I'm trying to explain. You know, better. You understand? This is in music in drama that Monica had a boom. We will try to write everything. Can we make it part 1 to a series film? Obo me know part 1 and 2. Obo me know part 1 and 2. Obo me know part 1 and 2. Wow, I is the man. Come here, baby, up. Monica, wow, modify the matter with the contract. Where are we going to the contract? I don't know zoni. Obo mi no part 1. Obo wetin ga mi no. Yin ga pion yin na wo yin na wo yes mi no. Owo na mu we yin we gun. We yin na so yin na so ni ro ma. Ogo. Yin na so mi no. Yin na wo yin ga ye gbo ya wo gbe. Owo yin na sana egbe papa temu ni. Egbe baba mu di agbegbe. Obo was still a man that have brain. Obo is a man that have brain and na man we deal with the right senses. We be say that can jiggy no the flick that constantly. Oh madam was here now. Madam, you don't do my mind do. Madam now stop now, madam. Madam, you don't worry, madam stop now. Madam, Oga go come see us, Oga go see us, madam. Obo me know part 1 and 2. Obo was me knowing it. Obo was me. Obo na worry me sha. Obo see God. God. Obo you enjoy. So Obo you just the thing now say you don't me know that breast so. Can you imagine? Obo go just see Monica the life they go say I mean know this woman breast that you. I don't mean know this breast ja. Obo me know part 1 and 2. Jesus. Ay. You go just see the tick now go say oh. It's a meaning when I tell you only got me know. Obo thank God say you know dope. I wish you dope. I wish the doping system was activated. Thank God that the doping system was not activated. Nah, I know say you are a strong man. That's why you did not dope. Because if you say you dope for so many things for your body, I give you kudos. You are really a man. But you mean no? I will write them. Obo me know part 1 and 2. Oh me know. That guy. You mean no? See, this will not be joke. when the man confess, people they think maybe na saga, that the man come out again. And this thing I make me provoke for Enogi. You understand? Not even Enogi, I make me provoke for a pa. The same thing so with this man talking categorically by himself. Say this thing, not be joke, you know the joke. People they take us like the other way around, you know the joke. This thing he really doing. He really romance Monica, impress in Bombi. I mean I don't say breast. He really me know. Me know. Hey God. Hey God. About me know part 1 or 2. Jesus. We can play on me gay. You be like say you never watch.
And Monica, the wife of Ambrose, I've made so many videos uncountable to make my confession. And people are taking it the other way around. I don't think the news they are carrying is about what I said.
Okay.
And I believe the video, I have never deleted any.
We
still have all this video online.
Okay.
Even without the video, God is watching me, and God knows if I am lying. Yes, my people. There was a time.
Now I'm true. Nasaga. Now Nasaga.
I came out on social media telling people what Ambrose and the wife Monica did to me.
Now you listen.
And I also make a confession.
Listen.
She almost raped me.
Listen.
She makes me to see or touch her breast. That am I not attractive enough, she said. And
She make me to see or touch her breasts. Am I not attractive enough? Obo, give it to me now. Oh, Obo, give it to me. Oh, Obo, she make me to say, Obo, give it to me now. Oh, am I not attractive enough? Many Obo, hey, Obo, Obo, me no part 1 or 2. Obo, me no part 1 or 2. Jesus, hey. Obo. I don't die. When I listen finish. When I finish.
when I sat with her in the couch, she put her leg in my body, you know what I mean? And thereafter I was tempted, I started to romance her leg before, and I came back to my senses and said, no, I can't do this, despite my situation, despite they want to give me.
Now here, Obo romance part 1 or 2. Obo romance part 1 or 2. EJ, the Silimana had Muladian. Obo me no part 1 or 2. Obo me no part 1 or 2. EJ. I finish Monica. Ovie na ya ro egbi. Monica, ovie na ya ro egbi wa. Uye unya. Uye unya. No, get one of my video, get one of Monica video. 2016, September 2016. Where for play now. Get this phone. That video. I see one on this phone. Play on. 2016, I do that video. Monica, don't dare me when you dare me. I'm going to finish you for this live video. Now me talking. I dare all your details. Here go CV. Here CV. Your kadokari CV. Here CV. Here CV. Here CV. Only. The video you have a lot of me, and more lot of men, you come and see, you come and listen to yourself. Yeah, flash you back to all your atrocity you have done years back. We're going to be flashing you back again now. About this man, this part 2 not go easy. That part 1 a joke. This part 2, you will see the reality of women. Bezanzan talk to them with this. So you understand? This will not be your other level. This will not be no talk show. This one Bezanzan talk show. Et même un boy Zanzan. Où que et no give. We as a we no give. Et no give as a so papa. Na moto no feel break. E be ai go ere. Oh yeah. You understand? Allez, blessing. Nous sommes wa gbon ko ke Monica. Monica ma no ya give. What den wa give. We wa wo lo you wa o. Ma ho me what e boni. O ma ho nyi o. What den wa give me. Then if you wa wo lo you wa o. You video ni yado be mawa. You understand? I pop your yen, I keep telling you, I do bini if you can. Then we are going who you are going to go. Abomino part 1 and 2. Abomino part 1 and 2. Omino for amino. The funniest part, you go shock when I say, as I did live video so, Bonica with a gang, both Ajekpako wife, all of them they watch me. Yeah. So never they talk now, this maybe I lie. Now me I'm giving them proof. I'm not good, but they go sit down there, they watch me. They go they laugh. I go see the kill their depression for them. I'm not good. Why would this man not good? Now see this video. I don't see it. I see this video where I do yesterday. I don't be that one. Now if you see so it's not clear. If you see the person will be that one. That line where I wrote with red so. I don't be that. Yeah, see that one don't be that. I don't be that. Vivian Agamien Yawo Efe Irabo Vivian Ajabo wife Vivian Agamien Yawo Efe Irabo. What that for? What that for? What so you make woto. Oh Vivian, kudos to you. You are watching woto. This is the man. Vivian don't be my day. I you are. Who don't get the fire put here for? If ever get woto. He dey put out woto. He dey put out woto. Why people say? Yeah, well, I know they look them. People are full of lies. If you discuss me, I will date them with the wash you. Now see just now. I dey watch no give. Oh yes. I dey watch on live. I go there they look you. I go there hear what you tell them say dance. Tell them say they dance. So they talk and so you see they talk. I go watch up for no. I go they watch you for your platform. Me and see they contribute to your viewers when they get. You understand? When I go they pretend all of you are hypocrites. They go they live kind fake life. And when they run from platform to platform, when they run the find when they customer. For I use it here, when don't reach there. What you gonna call they live fake life for? I go there, they comment. What did they happen? What is they call him? You go to cost me, I go to write amen. Oh, Franco, don't please. Oh, go back, you amen. He said, I said. We don't they fear they, we know they had ourselves. I know they had myself. Yeah, oh, how do I move? Oh, go boa. Oh, yeah, I'm moving. No, go fake account. If you insult me, why insult you? I go insult you for that fake account. I go insult you. How see you go block me? If I say me, you want to do say too much, you block me. I will come off my live video. I'll come wear you back. Baby, you give me, I give you. Go bazen. No better for your way. Abu will me horn and what tear, but I am never. Papa didn't tear them with beer. Don't waste time. As they give me, they can't tie you back. Chapale. You understand? I don't get another fake account. Now my real account is this one. And if you see me put for your life, I did a live. I must see comments. You will see me did the watch live. Now my live with that one, they watch you live. I know come to say, I know they watch you. Unless I'm not did them when you do, they will forward the video for me. See inbox, my inbox go full, they will forward the video for me. Like one video where I never still watch now, where they still forward for me this morning. I never watch them. They forward that for me. Once they forward that for me, if I click enter, say you do live, I go there with you, I will watch you. If I click say you don't fit do, I will wait. Later I can watch when not true. Why live a fake life? Why go? You know, sir, about me no part 1 and 2. Lare, about you enjoy. So what you are doing? Monica, we carry Wokuna, carry Sanokuna.
And Monica, the wife of Ambrose, I've made so many videos uncountable to make my confession, and people are taking it.
I bet all this video this guy do when I forward that for me. Me I can analyze when I forward all the video with this guy take confess. I need them.
I have never deleted any.
I need down all the confession of this guy. Come back to Iruwala, come back to the Monica. I want to combine them and come analyze them well. And I'm going to blog them for YouTube, for page everywhere. Make what I do for a year. For one, concerning one woman. And my next work be that one. The video where this guy say confess. And this same one where still repeat and so. The one where Iruwala do talk with FA platform, that particular place. Where Iruwala say, if they do DNA test, work for the man where get the picky, maybe they call him. He will go do. Based on because he still shock the woman, he still shock for the woman, he still put up for the woman, because water. He still put up for the woman because water. So I need to combine all those things together to make a is it water 1 and 2 or Bomino part 1 and 2 or Bomino part 1 and 2 or Bomino part 1 and 2. Let's go there. Amino. Monica de amino. Amino. This kind of way you're not dealing with talk baby. And when you man all ye breezer pack up. You know, are my video pack up bra. We are they pack up, we are very pack up breezer. Pack up bra, no pack. I will make a balance because you're not by or Bomino part 1 and 2 or Bomino part 1. Mino. God, what you do? I go live video. Wow, soon. Work no get I no get a be worry. On you, yeah, you have you winning. Yeah, me and one exchange of a will and sense. And when Ghana, a rigway, yeah, me, we are me and one. About me, no patron too. Yeah, me, we, yeah, me and one. Yeah. What was why? You can never see such kind of women in my platform. Can't talk anyhow. Talk show. Understand? Baby elephant. You can never see this kind of women. They remark banner or they call it platform me. He will saga when answering. You didn't see one woman wearing another call any other woman, any other banner. At the end of the day, banner saga now. No, here I am with Mokbaka and Asabi squad. They don't see Asabi squad. Understand? Yeah, I got back and squad. Well, no, Atana. I think what in the big word and only when hearing. If you be able to go, anyone was any of the power saga, any call away. You understand? Everyone banner will not call you. Let ourselves the truth. Everyone on them one. I don't hear with you can't see people they say, what's your business? Now when they do saga, when they go this.
Thank you everyone for watching. Please don't forget to leave your own opinion what you think about this video. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye.